We gotta talk about brows, and I'm gonna show you how to do your brows. Guess what I've just introduced? The brow gel. So a lot of you were having a hard time with the brow pen. So I said, you know what? Let's get a product that's going to help you get that brow and then make that brow perfect with the brow pen. So do you need to use both of them? No, I am just extra because I like that really perfect brow. So for everybody that's like, well, you know what, I was too light for the brow pen and I'm having a hard time with it, look what I have here. Colors for everybody. Someone who's extremely blonde, someone that has a little bit of grayness, someone that's really light, that wants a little bit of that gray brown mixed together. These are your colors right here, and everybody has a friend, okay? Everybody's going to get that brow game on. So look, it comes with your angle brush. Okay, you can use it if you like, you don't have to use it. I'm gonna take some here. I'm going to bring this closer so you can see. All right, now look how easy this is. Do you see that? Look at that. Look at that. How easy is that? Look at this. So you want to wait 60 seconds, and within those 60 seconds the brow gel will dry and you can just wear it alone. Okay, how simple is that? So I like perfect brows. I'm going to use the brow pen over. Okay, so the gel just acted as my trace. So look at that. Okay, look at that. Right now, again, you don't have to use the brow pen, but because I love it so much and I want my brows to look awesome. See that? Woo. How do I measure? This is where the brow starts. Where's the peak? I look straight. Right at the corner of the circle, the iris is where my peak is going to be. I'm going to take the pen right under the nose. This is where the brow ends, right? And then what I'm going to do is make sure I close this. And then I'm going to come in there again with the brow fixer because I just love those hair-like strokes. I'm just going to brush up. This is me being a perfectionist. This is the longer version of what I do with my brows. When I'm in a hurry, I don't even bother. Right? You see that?